abbreviations test. Comment your score and follow for the next quiz. Let's start today's quiz. First question is, what does R&D stand for in a company? Correct answer is research and development. Next question. In a business email, what does BCC mean? Correct answer is blind carbon copy. Next question. What does PDF stand for? Correct answer is portable document format. Next question. What does LCD stand for in television screens? Correct answer is liquid crystal display. Next question. In international trade, what is VAT? Correct answer is value added tax. Next question. In web browsing, what is URL? Correct answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Next question. In environmental ratings, what does HEPA as in filters stand for? Correct answer is High Efficiency Particulate Air. Next question. When buying a battery, you might see Li-ion. What does it mean? Correct answer is lithium ion. Next question. CNG stand for in the context of vehicle fuel. Correct answer is compressed natural gas.
अगर आपको मेरे अल्फाज अच्छे लगते हैं तो दिल से गुजारिश है कि मेरे अकाउंट को फॉलो करें। आपका एक फॉलो मेरे हौसले को नई ताकत देगा।